Hi everybody, welcome to BADM 838. I'm Dr. Tanner, I'll be your instructor for this course. As you know, this is an 8-week course and it is going to fly by super fast. So you are going to have 4 modules to complete. The first one is only 1 week long, the rest of them are 2 weeks long, and the last one is 3 weeks long. This class is very writing intensive. I give you a lot of theoretical frameworks to consider. And the reason that I do that is because I want you to be able to talk about theoretical frameworks and apply them in real life situations. This is essential for when you take your comprehensive exams. The theories from this course will help you pass those exams on your first try. So please pay attention to them. While some assignments and discussions don't require theoretical frameworks, I still have posted them so that you can see how they could tie in to what you're learning. Some of the items in the course are not populated before the course starts, so I can't show you the individual content folders right now, but I can tell you that the syllabus should be showing up real fast sometime in the next 2 or 3 days. The course materials is your bookstore link. Tutor.com is an outstanding resource. I encourage everybody to use Tutor.com. So go ahead and go through, click on the Start Here and expand it and start going through this information. You can navigate your course. There's iLearn tutorials for you for this new version of Blackboard. There's a module for academic integrity and plagiarism, guidelines for using generative AI. There's APA resources. So I've expanded this box for you, and you can look at the responsible AI use video guide. You can learn more about academic integrity and plagiarism, and then you can review the generative AI guidelines. We all know, excuse me, that generative AI has changed the landscape of education, right? And I'm good with generative AI. I use it ethically. I do use it. I have never and will never ask generative AI to create a paper for me to submit to class. One of the big problems in using generative AI is the issue of hallucinations. So I encourage you to verify that all of your references exist. A hallucinated reference looks real. It has authors, it has a title, it has a journal, and often it even has a DOI. But when you check it closely, some part of it does not actually exist. The title may be wrong, the journal name may be fabricated, or the DOI can take you somewhere else entirely. These often happen when students rely on AI tools to generate sources instead of verifying them in databases. That is not research, folks. Research is when you write a paragraph out and then you go and you find support for what you said in that paragraph. By finding that support, now you have a link to the article that you read, okay? That's research. Research is not having generative AI create a paper for you and give you a bunch of fake references, all right? Having said that, you need to make sure that all of your links are active and clickable. APA 7 requires everything to have a link, okay? If you don't know how to do this, real simple tip, just press enter after pasting the tip in Microsoft Word. The link will turn blue and it'll have an underline. The links must go to the exact article that you used and cited. All right, if I click on that link and it goes somewhere else or it says DOI not found, I check Google Scholar, I check the internet, I even go to the journal, volume, and issue that the article is supposed to be in. If you cannot provide me a working link to the exact article in the original post or paper, I have to submit you to Guardian for academic dishonesty. That's just the way it works. So please don't do it. I'm going to get off my hallucinated reference soapbox. I have actually included an AI assignment for you to do. It's in Module 4. So the purpose of that assignment is to show you the ethical way to use AI in your research. If you have any questions, any concerns, please, please, please reach out to me. Generally, I respond to emails the same day that I get them, unless it's a Monday, and that is like grading day always. So let me know if you have any questions. Remember, there are no redos in the doctoral space. This is your journey, and you might get derailed, but you need to get back on track. All right? I look forward to meeting everybody in class, and I pray that everybody stays safe and healthy. Bye.